Need to record the exact time when you enter data in your ledger? We covered today function in the last video, which made it simple for us to have a date stamp in our Excel file, which changes as our system's date changes. But what if you want a timestamp as well? Don't worry, that's what we are covering today. But before jumping on that, can you make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you have not already? I am working hard to make these daily tutorials for you. It would mean so much to me if you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have not watched the Today function tutorial yet, then do it now. Let's get started now. Let's work with a real-life example. Let's say you enter customer sales data as sales happen throughout the day, but it is just not transaction number, product name, or amount that you need to enter into your Excel ledger. You need a date and timestamp as well, which will tell you the date and time of entry in the ledger. The Now function is perfect choice for this. Now function returns current date and time as per your system. And just like Today function, you don't need to put any value in this function. Just simply type equal, now, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Press enter and you will have your date and timestamp. But the catch is, the date and timestamp value will change as per your system's clock, but you need to fix it. The simple way of doing this is, whenever you are making an entry, apply Now function in the entry time column, and then copy and paste as values L using shortcuts. That way you will save time from manually doing it. Or even more importantly, you will minimize the possibility of making spelling mistakes. After applying Now function, simply copy that cell using Ctrl+C, and then press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste it as values. As you can see in the function bar, the stamp is in text format now. Alternatively, you can assign macros to this particular task, which is the smartest way of doing such tasks. But we will cover that later when we get more familiar with advanced tools. Till then, this trick would do. That's it for today. Now it's your turn. Practice with your own data and master Excel. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.